dirty work. When Duck returned and heard the truck singing, he was horrified. "Shut up," he ordered, "and bump them hard." "I'm sorry I trucked a rude to you, Diesel," he said. Diesel was still furious. "It's all your fault. You made them laugh at me," he complained. "Nonsense," said Henry. "Duck would never do that. We engines have our differences, but we never talk about them to trucks. That would be disgraceful," said Gordon. "Disgusting," put in James. "Despicable," finished Henry. Diesel hated Duck. He wanted him to be sent away, so he made a plan. The next day he spoke to the trucks. "I see you like jokes," he said in his oily voice. "You made a good joke about me yesterday. I laughed and laughed. Duck told me one about Gordon. I'll whisper it. Don't tell Gordon I told you." And he sniggered away. "Ha ha ha," guffawed the trucks. "Gordon will be cross with Duck when he knows. Let's tell him and pay Duck out for bumping us." Diesel went to all the sidings, and in each he told different stories. He said that Duck had told them to him. This was untrue, but the trucks didn't know. They laughed rudely at the engines as they went by, and soon Gordon, Henry and James found out why. "Disgraceful," said Gordon. "Disgusting," said James. "Despicable," said Henry. "We cannot allow it." They consulted together. "Yes," they said, "he did it to us. We'll do it to him and see how he likes it." Duck was tired out. The trucks had been cheeky and troublesome. He had had hard work to make them behave. He wanted to rest in the shed. "Whoosh! Keep out!" The three engines barred his way, and Duck and Diesel lurked behind. "Stop fooling," said Duck. "I'm tired." "So are we," hissed the engines. "We're tired of you. We like Diesel. We don't like you. You tell tales about us to trucks." "I don't." "You do." "I don't." "You do." The Fat Controller came to stop the noise. "Duck called me a galloping sausage," spluttered Gordon. "Rusty red scrap iron," hissed James. "And I'm old square wheels," fumed Henry. "Well, Duck?" Duck considered. "I only wish, sir," he said gravely, "that I'd thought of those names myself. If the dome fits, ha!" Ahem. The fat controller coughed. He made trucks laugh at us," accused the engines. The Fat Controller recovered. "Did you, Duck?" "Certainly not, sir. No steam engine would be as mean as that." "Now, Diesel, you heard what Duck said." "I can't understand it, sir. To think the Duck of all engines. I'm dreadfully grieved." sir, but know nothing." "I see." Diesel squirmed and hoped that he didn't. "I'm sorry, Duck," the Fat Controller went on, "but you must go to Edward's station for a while. I know he will be glad to see you." "Beg pardon, sir? Do you mean now?" "Yes, please." "As you wish, sir." And Duck trundled sadly away, while Diesel smirked with triumph in the darkness.